So welcome to the next question. In this session, we'll practice task 2, create sub-accounts in directory. What we have to do? We have to create sub-accounts in directory. In the first exercise, in the first task, we have created directory. And in this, we are going to create subtasks. So first, in the partner directory. Here, this is partner directory. Okay. So it is saying in the partner directory, create sub account. So click on create sub account. So create sub account. Okay. And display name. Control C. Okay. And check the space. Exact name is required. And description is partner development testing. Select partner development testing. Reason. Okay, in the partner directory, create a sub account this with the subdomain this in the region. Region is Microsoft Azure, US based WACF US 20. So while selecting the region, be careful. Microsoft Azure, you can see CFAP 21. CFAP. This is the trial account. That's why, as per question scenario, you cannot get this. But while giving the test, you will get this region. So here I am going to select Microsoft Azure because only this is available. Here, region you have to select whatever it is given in the question. But I am practicing in trial account. That's why Microsoft Azure is available, but US 20 is not available. That's why I have taken Singapore Azure. Okay. Take care while test. Okay. Region is done. Now parent, it is saying in the parent directory. So in parents, you have to select the parent. Select parent. So inside parent, select the parent. Don't get confused. Partner. In the partner directory. So inside parent, select partner. Okay. Anything else? No. Sub account we have created, description we have given, parent directory we have selected, partner directory we have selected, subdomain. With subdomain. Now where is subdomain? You can see this is the subdomain. By default it is coming, but you have to change the subdomain. So just Control A, Control V, subdomain. The subdomain can contain only SKY letters and digits. Hyphens are also allowed, but not at the start or end. Maximum length. So hash you have to replace with global account number. 4 digit. D252. D252. Global okay. Subdomain contains only SKY letters. Okay. A space just I have removed. That's why you can see. Repeat the question once again. In the partner directory. Are you in the partner directory? Yes. See, parent is partner. In the partner directory. Create sub account. AMPA dev test. AMPA dev test. That's fine. Description. Partner development and testing. Partner development and testing. Then subdomain. BTP ops. Global account number. AMPA dev development and test. That's fine. Next in the region. Microsoft Azure. So region is Microsoft Azure I have selected, and this is trial system. US 20 is not available. Whatever available 21 I have given. Okay. No need to go to the advanced. Just click on create. So this sub account is getting created. You can see it's getting created. Wait for a few seconds. AMPA dev test. AMPA dev test. It is getting created inside partner directory. And now it's created. Okay. It's created. So question first is completed of task 2. Now come to the second. Same. It is saying we have created sub account for development and test. Now we are going to create sub account for production. So in the create sub account, click on create sub account. Now enter the name AMPA PROD production. Okay, read it carefully. AMPA production and description partner production. While copy and paste also, be careful, don't leave a space over there, otherwise AI agent can detect as a wrong description. So make sure. Next, subdomain. I am going to copy here and subdomain. Okay, subdomain I am unable to paste. Why? Because I have to select the region. So just select the region sub using test as a source sub account. Subdomain this using as a source sub account. So what is source sub account? First in the partner directory. First come here and select partner. And so partner directory is now region. Region set the sub account. So region whatever I selected, Microsoft Azure I am going to take here. Then subdomain is coming like that. I have to change the subdomain. Subdomain. Control A, Control V. Now global account number I am going to give D252 D252 last 4 digits. Just type. Already partner is there. No? Okay. Space is there, remove. Now it will be okay. Fine. Set the sub account as used in production. In the partner directory, create the sub account description with subdomain using dev test as source sub account. Source sub account. Go here. Nothing is there. Source sub. Add the label to this sub account. Label is not there. Source using source sub account. It means we cannot create like that because as per test, if we observe, it is asking source sub account. So what to do? Click on create and create sub account from existing sub account. Now it will come source sub account. What is source sub account? Dev test, AMPA dev test. Select AMPA dev test. This is the source sub account. Okay. Now display name. Display name is AMPA production. Your display name is AMPA production. Partner production. What is there? Partner production. Partner production. Now region automatically it is getting selected. Why? Because source sub account we have given dev test. Now you can change the domain. BTP control V. Here see, get rid of a space. Just click like that. And then hash remove by global account number. Last 4 digit of global account number. What is that? Yes, scroll down. Global account number I'm going to give. Oops. D295. Something like that. Okay. We can change here. Now I'm going to set the sub account as used in production. See here you have to click on used for production. Okay. So second question is now gonna complete it. Click on create. Click on create. So this is getting created. So this is sub account, two sub account we have created under directory partner. It is in progress. Yeah, now it is created. It is created. Come here. This was. Now do one thing. Let's edit. Why? D252 is the global account number. No, here it is not coming. Sub account it is created, right? I want to edit this sub account. Let's see. Let's see. This is the sub account, right? AMPA production. No. Sub account. Let's go to the global account. This is the sub account. And I want to change something. Let's see. Create new server, add more info, go to open Outlook, move, edit. Suppose I am clicking on edit. So this production here we cannot see that name. So while test we have to take care to provide the correct global order number. So this is how we have completed question number 2 of task 2. Now task 3 will capture in next session.